Good morning students, this is your English literature class, and in the last class we had done up to exercise C on page number 86. Okay, now in exercise D it's written think and answer. Why are tigers called big cats? And question number 2 is why do you think tigers like to hunt on their own? Okay, so I'll be sending you answers for these two questions. Okay, now to the next page, which is page number 87. Here it's written write the antonyms of these words. Okay, there are words given. Okay, and you have to write the antonyms of these words. Now what does antonym mean? Okay, antonym means a word with a meaning that is opposite to the meaning of another word or the given word. Okay, again I am repeating, antonym is a word with a meaning that is opposite to the given word or another word, such as look at here, number 1, like. Okay, the opposite meaning for this word is dislike. Okay, now when you are writing the opposite word, sorry, when you are writing an antonym for a word, okay, with the opposite meaning, you should also be careful, okay, or you should also keep in mind that that word is in the box given below. Okay, here I have circled dislike. Okay, in exercise F it's written in this word search find the antonyms you have written in exercise E. So you have to write the words that are given over here. Okay, in case of synonyms, okay, which are words with a similar meaning, okay, there are several words with a similar meaning of a given word. Okay, similarly there are several words with antonym, okay, of a word, such as for like you can say the mislike. Okay, antonym for like may be mislike, dislike, which we have written over here, or even decline. Okay, so there are several more words, but I have just given you 3 words. Okay, now the second word is bright. Okay, now the antonym for bright can be dull, dark, stupid. Okay, stupid is you sometimes say that the child is bright. Okay, means that the child is very intelligent. Okay, so in case of that the antonym for bright, okay, will be stupid also. But we are writing dull over here, D-U-L-L, dull. Okay, why? Because this word can be found over here in the given box. Okay, I have circled the word dull. Now for quickly you can write the antonym. It's very easy. For narrow, okay, narrow means small. Okay, a very congested path. Okay, you can say that. For narrow there are again different words with in case of antonym of narrow. Okay, you can even say wide. Okay, broad, spacious. Okay, but here I have written broad, B-R-O-A-D, broad. Okay, now the word broad is over here, that's why I have written broad instead of wide or spacious. Okay, now another word for which I have written given you the antonym is harmful. Okay, now again for harmful, the antonyms for the word harmful can be harmless, innocent, or even safe. Okay, but we have written harmless over here. Why? Because the word harmless can be found over here. Okay, so you have to do exercise E and F by yourself. Okay, in the book itself, you can do it in the book itself. Okay, now for G, exercise G, here it's written write 3 words that come to your mind when you read these words. Okay,
Now for this exercise I have done it for you. Okay, group of animals. Okay, now you can you could have written herd, flock, colony, but to make you understand these words herd, flock and colony refer to which group of animals. I have also written the animal's name over here. The group of elephant is known as herd. A group of sheep is known as flock. A group of ants is known as colony. Okay. Now when you say cats, since this chapter is related to animal, okay, we are just going to talk about animals over here. Okay, when you say cats, tiger, lion, panther, okay, there are several more, but 3 of these animals also come in the family of cats. So you write tiger, lion and panther. Carnivores means animals who only eat meat. Okay, so again there are several animals who just only eat meat, but here I've written wolf, sharks, polar bear. Okay, prey. Now what is prey? You have learned from the chapter that animals who are hunted by other animals is known as prey. Okay, now zebra is hunted by a lion or a tiger, okay, or even cheetah. Fish is hunted by polar bears or other kinds of bears. Okay, rabbit is hunted by wolf, sheep, okay, and many other animals. So these are animals of prey. Okay, stripes. Now which animals do have stripes? Zebra, tiger, there are a few more animals, but I have given the names of 3 over here, and chipmunks. Chipmunks look alike squirrels. Okay, I'll be sending you the picture of a chipmunk. Okay, number 6, babies of animals. Now I could have again written kitten, puppy, calf, but you would not have known about which animal's baby's name I have written over here. So a baby I have written also the name of the animal. A baby of a cat is known as kitten, K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. A baby of a dog is known as puppy. A baby of a cow is known as calf. Okay, earth. Now when you say earth, what comes to your mind? There are several words that you can give, but I have given you some easy words over here: oceans, seas, okay, forest. Okay, so these are the words that you can write that comes to your mind even when you say earth. Okay, now to the next page. This is page number 88. Okay, now here it's written prepositions tells us where a person we are learning about preposition over here. Okay, now what is preposition? Prepositions tell us where a person, a thing or an animal is. Prepositions also help to link nouns or pronouns with the other words in a sentence. So there are 2 things that a preposition can do. 1, they tell us where a person, thing or an animal is, or they help us link nouns or pronouns with the other words in a sentence. For example, I am the largest cat in the world. So the cat is the largest. Here in case of this sentence, tiger is talking. Okay, he is saying that I am the largest cat in the world. The word in is a preposition. Example 2, we feed mainly on deer. Okay, who do we mainly feed on? On deer. On is a preposition. Antelope and other wild animals. Okay, now there's an exercise given here. Look at the picture. Okay, here a picture is given. Okay,
and fill in the correct words from the box. There is a box given over here and there are words given here. Okay, these are prepositions. Okay, now by looking at the picture and using the words that are given inside the box, okay, you are going to fill up these blanks. Now this also I have done it for you. Okay, since preposition is a new thing for you. Now here it's written the George family. Okay, this may be the George family. Okay, is sitting dash a mat. They are sitting on a mat. They are sitting over a mat, so they are sitting on a mat. Okay, now they are having a picnic dash a garden. Okay, so they are in a garden, so you will write in a garden. They are having a picnic in a garden. Okay, another family is sitting. Okay, there is another family sitting near. Okay, you can see near is given over here. Okay, near the George family. The sun's rays are coming. Okay, the sun's rays are coming through the trees. You can see through over here. Okay, you will use it through the trees. Okay, means in between the trees the sun's rays are coming to the garden. Okay, tall trees cast their shadows dash the garden. Okay, there are tall trees in the garden. Okay, so they cast their shadows across the garden, means throughout the garden there are tall trees who are giving shade to the floor of the garden. Okay, the floor or ground of the garden. The children are sitting dash their parents. The children, okay, are sitting with their parents. Okay, so you can say all these words I have used are from the box that is given over here. Okay, now to the next exercise, which is exercise I. Okay, here it's written circle the prepositions. Okay, you have to circle the prepositions. I will give you there are many prepositions. I'll give you a list of 2 prepositions. You can look from that. Okay, you can refer from that. Okay, or you can also read the sentence and find out the correct prepositions. I've done a few for you. Okay, one, what do you think about the play? Okay, now about is the preposition. Okay, this sentence it's saying what do you think about the play. Okay, this sentence is saying what are you thinking, okay, regarding the play. So about is the preposition over here. My pencil fell out of the window. Where is my pencil? My pencil is out of the window. Okay, number 5, the tourists walked across the bridge. Where did the tourists walk? They walked across the bridge. Okay, so I'll be also sending you 2 list of prepositions for you right now. There are many prepositions. Okay, so you can look from there and circle the preposition from these sentences. Okay, or even you can read the sentence and also relate to the definition of preposition and circle the preposition from these sentences. Okay,